Hey, you guys, if you've been following my dental implant journey, one of the biggest questions I keep being asked is where I had it done or why I chose where I chose. And I chose ORA 4X in Roseville. And honestly, I understand why people ask because choosing where to have major dental work done is a huge decision. This wasn't just a dental appointment for me. This was surgery and healing and money and my smile and my confidence all wrapped up into one. So I wanted to share why I chose them, what stood out, and why I'm grateful I did. This felt bigger than just teeth, right? I think that for a lot of people, dental work carries so much more than the physical side of it. It can come with fear, anxiety, embarrassment, years of putting it off or worrying if you're making the right decision. And that's how it felt for me. I knew I wanted to make a life changing move, but I also knew I needed to feel safe and supported while doing it. And I wanted a team that really specialized in this. So, one of the first things that stood out to me about Aura 4X is that implants are just what they do. This isn't something they occasionally offer, this is their focus. And that really mattered to me because when you're doing something this significant, you want people who do it every day, who understand the process deeply, and who know how to guide patients through every stage. One of the biggest reasons I ended up choosing them was because they use an actual anesthesiology nurse who stays there with you and monitors you during the actual procedure. And this made me feel so much safer. When you're nervous about surgery, knowing that there's a dedicated medical professional focused on monitoring you while the surgeon focuses on the procedure is incredibly reassuring. And that honestly was a huge factor for me. But honestly, what made the biggest difference was how they treated me from the start. Sometimes you can just tell when a place sees you as just another patient on the schedule. And sometimes you can tell they truly understand that you're walking in vulnerable, nervous, and hoping for a better future. I felt cared for right away. I felt listened to. I felt informed. And I felt like they genuinely wanted me to have a good experience. And I really have to give a huge special shout out to Dr. Dalla. He is amazing. His entire staff is wonderful, truly. But Dr. Dalla and Taylor have specifically made this especially incredible. They've both been so kind, so patient, so reassuring throughout this entire process. And again, when you're going through something this big, energy matters more um, than people realize, right? Um, Skill matters, yes, of course, 100%, but kindness matters too. Patience matters too. And they've really brought both. I also appreciated that they use advanced technology and modern planning tools. That made everything just feel precise and organized and specialized. And when it comes to implants, those little details matter. Now that I'm on the recovery side of it, I'm even more grateful that I chose a place that I trust because healing isn't always perfectly linear. There are good days, there are sore days, there are emotional days, there are weird days. And having confidence in your provider makes those moments so much easier to navigate. So, if you're looking into dental implants yourself, my advice is to look beyond pricing or flashy advertising. Like, ask yourself, do I feel safe here? Do I feel heard? Do I trust this team? Do they make me feel cared for? Because for me, those things matter just as much as the procedure itself. Sorry, I can see my cat. Also, I posted a video the other day about a spot on my upper gum line that looked inflamed. And I went back into the office just yesterday just to have it checked out. Dr. Dalla took a look at it and said that it was just some extra tissue growth and that it just needed to be removed. No big deal. However, he said he could use a scalpel and remove it, but that he'd get a cleaner cut and take away less healthy tissue if he was able to use the laser. So I'm actually driving down to their other location on Wednesday this coming week to have that done. But my point is he could have just done it with the scalpel and just been done with it, right? Sent me on my way. It's this piece of him truly caring about me and my outcome and me being happy with the outcome that is such a big difference. I'm more than just a number. I'm more than just a dollar sign. I'm a person, and he wants me to be happy with my smile and my outcome. So, really, that's why I chose Aura 4X in Roseville. It really came down to the trust, the safety, the expertise, and the people behind it all. If you have any questions about my experience or my recovery so far, leave them below in my comments. I'm truly happy to share the real side of this journey with all of you. So, yeah, just let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to answer them. I'm super excited to be on this journey and be sharing it with everybody. So, thank you so much and have a great weekend.